Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix geometry dash not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix geometry dash not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First solution, you have geometry dash not opening while you have facing this issue. So you have restart your iPhone. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, you have update the app. So you have open the app store, so you have check the geometry dash app update. So you have open the app store, so then you have search the geometry dash. So then you have click on search button. So you have waiting some seconds, so you have geometry dash. So then you have search, and then you have checked the geometry dash update is available on your iPhone. Update is available, so you must be update on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have update iOS version. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have free up space. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have unused app on your iPhone is available, so you have delete a free app space on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have reinstall. So you have open the setting again, click on general again, click on iPhone storage again. So you have, and then you have seen the geometry dash. So then you have click on offload, and then you have click on reinstall option. Then you have show your iPhone, then you have click the reinstall, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Then last solution, you have delete or again install from App Store. So you have long press the geometry dash, so then you have remove, and then you have again install from App Store. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So you have hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.